In this video, I will show you how to download Fusion 360. So if it isn't already on your computer or you want to download this at home, this is the process you need to go through. Now you need to get to the website first. You can do a Google search for Fusion 360 Education or use the link that I provided within your guys' worksheet. So Fusion 360 Education, and you should get this free here. Now what you want to do first is sign in, and you must already have created an account. If you haven't created an account, there's a video tutorial for that within the worksheet on how to do that. So you must have an account first. So sign into your account by putting in your password. Don't click on stay signed in. Don't click on that. All right. I believe I already registered. There should just be a button that you click here to register. So if this doesn't come up, you just need to click down here and it'll say, congratulations, you are welcome back. You've already registered. Here we go. So one click, you just had to click that. Now to download, now that's step 3, hit the download button. That'll take you to this, and it says double click on the file called 360 Client Downloader, and it should automatically come down here. Double click and it should do an auto install. I already have it installed on this computer, so I don't need to do it at all, but there might be some prompts on there that ask you questions. Just hit OK. And notice it takes a long time for this to download onto the computer. Let me know if you have any questions at all.